What is an SD card and a memory card? What does it do? And why would you need one of these? And what is the difference between SD card and a memory card? Well, that is exactly I'm gonna answer all those 4 questions in this video. It's coming up. Hey guys, it's video for Filmmaker channel, and today I have a special thing for you. It's belong in SD card and a memory card. So, what is an SD card and a memory card? This is an SD card and a memory card. It's called a memory saver that goes onto your phone, and this one goes onto your camera, save footage and keep your videos up to date. What does an SD card and a memory card do? So what does it do? So this is a SD card and memory card. So what does it do? So this big SD card, where you have the small SD card or this only big one. So why you need two? Because when you want to add videos on your phone, edit it after you making any videos for YouTube, so you need these two SD cards. For small one, you can plug it in your phone and you can edit videos, while the big one is used for plugging in your camera and can take some footage and videos. So how it works is, you have to plug this small memory card into this big SD card. So it's written here, it's locked, right? So you have to just shift like this to unlock it. So to take this SD card, memory card, place it here and here and push it inside nicely, and just press this part and just swipe it to lock. See, it can come out. So the SD card is ready, so you can plug in your camera and ready to click footage, take some photos and take some videos. And for the small SD card, you need to plug in your tablet or phone, whatever, because tablet they use SD card, right? So why they need SD card? Because you need a SD card, because if you plug your SD card in your tablet, when you go for a shooting and you shoot some photo and videos, a long video, for example, if you take a long video, right, and after that you see that your phone or tablet has enough space, so what you need to do is to plug this SD card in your tablet like this. There we go, like this. Could you see there's thin slope? This is the first card, recharge card, second recharge card, and third one. It goes ink, Voda, and SD card. So what you're gonna do, like, take this small memory card, put it here and just press it like that. There, and then slowly close your lid of your tablet. There we go. And you can click anything, photos or shoot videos, right? And what I was saying, that if your tablet your phone is full, is enough memory, right? So why you need this small memory card? Because when your phone is have no enough space, this is full, you can shift some photos and videos through the tablet's file into your SD card, small memory card. Why would you need an SD card and a memory card? Why would you need these two SD card? Like I said on question 2, why would you need them? Because if you plug in this small one into your phone, so when you get to shoot some photos, take some videos, and you realize that your phone has enough space, so you can shift these photos and videos into this small memory card, because it has a lot of space, otherwise it has on the phone, right? So the big one this big one is actually used on the camera. So for example, as DSLR, Sony, Nikon or Canon, they use this kind of SD card. Sometimes they use SanDisk, Strotium, they use this Strotium SD card here, Strotium SD card, or what do you call this, Redata SD card, or whatever, any SD card, but just need an SD card. So for example, if you plug this big SD card, like I said, you plug the small one into this big one and just put it to lock it, like that, lock it, right? So you plug this in your camera. So when you plug this in your camera, right, and you go for shooting and whatever you doing, right? So before, when you take in your camera, charge your batteries, you pack all of things, and what you forget to pack your SD card on your back for the camera bag, right, to took some photos. So what you done that you have taken out your camera from the bag, take out the tripod stand, put your camera on the tripod stand, and just click some photos. So when you click a photo on your camera, then you realize that you didn't bring an SD card. So when you came back from shooting or taking some photos, you realize that your SD card is at home there on the drawer, and you forgot to take an SD card. So it's great to need an SD card. Otherwise you left any SD card, whatever, just use SD card. So that's how you need these two SD card. What is the difference between an SD card and a memory card? So what is the difference between SD card and a small memory card? Well, small memory card is a small memory saver that goes onto your phone and can save a lot of memories as you can, right? And for the big SD card, this SD card goes onto your camera and it can use on the camera, or you can take this out from the camera and you can plug into your laptop. Yes, laptop is great, it's a laptop slot, but for this one they have the laptop slot, right? For this one on laptop they don't have it, but this one they have on the phone, not on the laptop. For this one they have on the laptop. Why people use this SD card to plug on the laptop? Why? Because they use this to plug and edit their videos, their YouTube videos, and post it on YouTube, right? So that is the difference between big SD card and a. Hope you find this video useful. If you did, do let me know. Give all thumbs up and thank you for the big SD card and a small memory card. If you like to see more content like this, learn more about video production, you can watch my other tutorials just over there, and you may subscribe it just below clicking over there. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.